Companies that I had initial discussions with, they wanted to come out the next day and start throwing panels up on the roof, and I just wasn't ready. You have someone that's trying to sell you something and you're certainly skeptical of, is this really true? And Chris went through that sales process in a very measured way, and it dictated the speed based on how fast I wanted to go. They have a great view of the long term. And I'm the perfect example for that, because I bought a system from him 10 years ago. I sold that house, and I actually had called Chris before I even closed on my new house, because I knew the great experience that I'd had with him the first go around. There's peace of mind in the sense that 5 years from now, if I have a problem, I know Chris is going to be around and I can call him. My name is Kerry, and I went solar with CKR Solar.